Today, we'd like to show you how to create a rule so that you can automatically forward an email upon its arrival to your inbox to another individual. This can be useful when wanting your assistant to receive the same email that you receive. For example, commission statements. If you would like your commission statement that is sent from home office to be automatically forwarded to your assistant for them to be able to print it and maintain it in a compliance file, that can be done through creating a rule. The first part is to select the email in which you'd like forwarded to your assistant or other party. Then, up in the ribbon bar, you'll see Rules. Click on Rules and then Create New Rule. You'll notice that you have a number of areas that you can choose from to be the trigger on the email. In this case, we would like all emails where the subject line states commission statement to be forwarded to another individual. We've now selected the trigger, and by clicking on Advanced Options, we will be able to move on to what action we'd like to be done with all emails with commission statement in the subject. We are going to choose now to have it forwarded to people or a public group. At this point in time, after selecting that, you need to define which person or group you would like to have it sent. By clicking on the blue underlined portion of the rule at the bottom of your screen, you can then type in the email address of the individual you would like to receive the forward of the commission statement email. After typing it in, you would click on OK. Now you see at the bottom of the screen, forward a email with commission statement in the subject to Allison at tag-ages.com. By clicking on Next, we can create exceptions to the rule. In this particular case, we're going to be doing a straightforward from an email with commission statement in the subject line, so we won't need to highlight anything here. On clicking Next, we now can name the rule. Because we will be able to adapt and adjust this rule later on, we want to give it a name so that we can determine which rule it is. So we'll call this Commission Statement Rule. We want to turn this rule on by placing a check in the Turn This Rule On checkbox. But if we wanted it to go through our inbox and find all emails with commission statement in the subject that we have received prior to today, we could click on the Run This Rule Now in Messages Already in Inbox. This would forward all messages with commission statement in the subject line to anoler at tag-ages.com. Once you've determined if you wanted to do that or not, click Finish. Now the rule is in place. Upon receiving an email with commission statement in the subject line, it will automatically forward it to the individual that you have chosen. This can be repeated with any number of subject lines or emails from a particular person, emails where you're CC'd, or emails that you'd like to go into a junk folder. Well, that's how to forward an email using rules. Thanks for listening, and hope this is helpful to you.